excited to welcome Martin Gruss. Martin is the former head of Global Seed Growth at the Bayer Crop Science Division, and he has been a champion of groundbreaking achievements in seed and applied technologies that have created and expanded market segments. During his tenure with Bayer, Martin managed the crop protection business in Australia and New Zealand, and then for Germany, Austria, and Switzerland, and finally as the global lead for Bayer Seed Growth platform. Martin is retired but remains committed to maximizing seed value and high yields for farmers and producers while serving on the Ag Authority Board of Advisors. We thank Martin for sharing his experience today.
Yeah, thank you very much that I have the opportunity to talk to you during this occasion on the Exceed the Seed that Ag Authority is now organizing. I would see surely that innovations have different introduction and acceptance in different parts of the world. We see that growers generally are very interested in new technologies to improve their, I would say in general, always return on investment. And this is different in different countries. Some countries are very progressive in trying new things on part of their farm. So they have the advantage to compare once the products are available. Other innovations try to unleash the potential of the seed, the yield potential. So that's where they really need to be convinced with proven tests, field tests, with hopefully tests that show results across different geographies. So even more important to have reliable organizations that do the testing and can show that the new technology works across a variety of situations. I think important is this trust part because growers usually try to get different opinions. So that could be surely of the supplier of a new innovation. It could be of their direct supplier of seed or crop protection, or it could be an advisor that they are very close with who gives them the opinion about this new technology. So for that, I think the overall still the return of investment is what's important to the grower, with high assurance that the probability of the return is coming in is given to him. It is very important to clearly define what the market is. So how urgent, how severe is the problem, or how much more yield, for example, can you achieve with introducing this new technology that you want to develop. Because that is really creating, setting the demand or potential demand for a new technology. Surely, I mean, taken that new technology can be registered, can get the approval to be used, because that's one of the biggest hurdles at the kind of before you can really think about commercialization. But is how can this technology at the end being used on the farm or for the grower? What is the technologies and processes that are necessary to use this new innovation? You have to understand the supply chain of the products and the seed, how the grower at the end can use, for example, the treated seed. Testing is and showing the results, the performance of the product is very important, and to have the opinion leaders on your side. Important, I think, is also to have be very clear what is your unique point in this new innovation and which challenges you can solve for the growers. And as I said, also you have to consider also the supply chain down to the market. So I think the biggest hurdle at the end for making a product successful is really the acceptance in the market. So once you have defined the right audience for your product, and they really see the benefit of that, then you get also the acceptance, and that the growers and the whole channel to the grower will push that product forward. And also, how does it improve the overall return for the grower? What would also, with the high acceptance, hopefully, and high market share, be also a high return for the research and development company who's bringing this product to the market? Thank you very much for listening to my inputs and view to this topic. I would be very happy at the end to answer questions that I might have left open.